How is India impacted by China's latest railway project on the Indo-China border near Arunachal Pradesh? At a time when there have been talks of a potential disengagement of Indian and Chinese troops from the highly contested line of actual control in eastern Ladakh, new developments suggest that there might be an onset of tensions in India's eastern border in Arunachal Pradesh. Recent reports have suggested that Beijing has officially begun work on a strategically significant railway line in Tibet which will link Sichuan province with Ningxi, which lies on the Indo-China border in Arunachal Pradesh. The railway line project is seen to be hugely important for Chinese President Xi Jinping, who gave a go-ahead for its initiation recently while stating, "The project is a major step in safeguarding national unity and a significant move in promoting the economic and social development of the western region." Quote, "The railway project, which is the second biggest railway project in Tibet, is highly significant for the Chinese as it will link the Tibet Autonomous Region to the hinterland. Moreover, the railway line will run right up to Ningxi near the Indian border, with the entire line running from Chengdu to Lhasa, connecting the two capitals of Tar and Sichuan while cutting the journey from 48 hours to 13 hours. However, having seen blood spill of the Galwan Valley clash followed by a 7-month-long military standoff in the Ladakh sector due to China's expansionist policy, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is wary of his neighboring countries' infrastructure projects. As the railway runs near China's southwest border areas, it will largely improve the efficiency and convenience of military personnel and material transportation and logistical supplies. Quote, "However, according to some experts speaking to BBC, China's infrastructure is also aimed to divert the Brahmaputra River, which is a major water source for India. After the completion of this project, the movement of the Chinese army in this area will also increase. Where the Chinese army used to take 36 hours to reach, now it can be reached in 9-10 hours, i.e., rapid deployment will be possible. It will also become easier to bring Chinese tanks and missiles to the Indian border immediately." Quote, said an expert. China has made it apparent that it considers the eastern Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh to be a part of southern Tibet, a claim which India rejects completely.
For more and daily news updates, subscribe to our channel. Stay home and stay safe.